President Joe Biden has approved a major disaster declaration for the severe flooding that hit northeastern Vermont in late July. The declaration makes federal funding available to help communities and individuals in Caledonia, Essex, and Orleans counties recover from the damages caused by the July 29-31 storm. This is Vermont's third disaster declaration in just over a month, and the seventh in 14 months. The disaster declaration will provide much-needed financial resources for towns and individuals as they continue to recover from the storm. An initial assessment found that 85 homes were destroyed or damaged, and a partial federal assessment identified more than $3.7 million in public infrastructure damage.